Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are fine. My name is Ahmed Malik. This is very informative video. In this video, we inform you about commercial truck accident lawyer. Commercial truck accident lawyer help you. The truck industry is quickly growing in the US because our 70% of consumers goods make their way to their final destination by large trucks. Trucking can be a lucrative business and good source of income for drivers, but the industry has one of the highest fatality rates in the US. There has been 52% increase in truck accident deaths since 2009. Truck accident death victims are passengers of the vehicles and not the drivers of the truck themselves. 68% of all truck accident fatalities are passenger in other vehicles. Even more alarming, 74% of all fatal injury crashes involve a large truck. Dispute what you may think. Most truck accidents occur on major roads and not highway or interstates. As a passenger in a much smaller vehicle, you must take precautions to protect yourself and your passenger from large truck accident. But even if you take all the right precautions, accident can still happen. Viewers, if you are involved in a truck accident and you have been injured, call Ali Award, the CEO lawyer, for consultation of your case. The CEO lawyer is the founder and managing attorney of one of the fastest growing law firm in the country. The CEO lawyer personal injury law firm with our 1 million followers on social media. Ali Award has built a reputation for giving free legal advice to his followers. You can trust the CEO lawyer and his injury and accident attorney to ensure you are receiving the best legal advice and the top settlement for your truck accident. Contact us online or call 888 Common cases of large truck accident, as I mentioned, large truck accidents are on the rise in US. Large trucks are still the best way to move consumer goods across the country. As demand for production increased, especially due to the pandemic, more and more trucks are on the road. Especially if you are traveling on a roadway with large truck, it is the important to keep in mind that trucks cannot maneuver as quickly as a car and have much poorer visibilities. Therefore, as a passenger vehicle driver has are expected to use extra caution with traveling alongside large trucks. However, you can be doing everything right and still find yourself injured after an accident with a large truck. In 2007, the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration conduct a large scale study of truck accident and the reason behind them. They broke their finding down into three categories: critical events, critical reasons, and associated factors. Number one, in 32% of studied cases, the last truck whirled out of their lane and into the lane of the another car. Viewers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.